Hello, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We've been having a number of people coming in with some issues with their low back. Today I just want to demonstrate a simple exercise that you can do to kind of help reboot your low back. Sometimes your pelvis can shift a little bit out of position. So that way what happens is that your low back muscle starts to try to figure out what's going on and they spasm up. So here's a quick exercise to help you alleviate some of that pain into the low back and help reboot it. So what you can do is you get down on your back, and what you're doing is you're lifting up both legs. And at the same time as you push here, you're pulling here. So push-pull, 3 to 5 seconds each side, and then push-pull, 3 to 5 seconds each side, push-pull, 3 to 5 seconds each side, push-pull, 3 to 5 seconds each side. Do that 3 or 4 times, and then you're gonna try to press your thighs apart, 3 to 5 seconds, and relax. 3 to 5 seconds and relax. 3 to 5 seconds and relax. Do that 3 or 4 times. And then what happens is that the musculature will start to relax, and your pelvis will be able to get repositioned where it should be. And that'll help your low back pain. Keep doing that over and over, and that's one simple exercise that you can do to help alleviate that twist in the pelvis that leads to low back pain. If you have any questions, just give us a comment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.